Good morning, I hope you're well. Today we're going up to the Valde Ebo up in the mountains. The views up there in the Valde Ebo are fantastic. Beautiful sunny day here in Spain on the Costa Blanca, and everything's good with the world. Very quiet up here, apart from a few cyclists, which beats me why they want to ride them uphill, but there you go, that's me. There's some nice little twisty bits down the bottom here. Maybe if you've been up the Valde Ebo yourself, let me know in the comments. Came out quite early this morning. This is July, and things are really warming up, and you don't really want to be out after midday really. It just gets too hot, and especially when you're wearing motorbike gear. I do see some, mainly younger people, riding around in shorts and no protective gear at all. I think that's a big mistake. The road up here is extremely good, considering. I don't know if you can see in a minute off to the left, you see, yeah, there. We're climbing a bit now. beautiful blue sky today. I don't think there's a cloud up there. Interesting that up this way in this region there's many roads through the mountains, and I've been through a lot of them. Really interesting, and each time it's a little bit different. Sometimes the views astound you. Makes me laugh sometimes when I come down roads like this. I'm normally filming, and all the cyclists overtake me. For any steep hills going up, I overtake them. Thing is, I don't want to go too fast when I'm filming because you just miss it all. Bends. If you like this video, perhaps you'll like and subscribe to the channel. Helps me out and it's totally free. You can start seeing how high we are now. I come up here a lot and I love this spot. Unbelievable views. There's something about this place that brings me back time after time. Cool air, hot sun, great view of Pego Val and the ocean. In the distance you've got Oliva in the ocean. Thanks for watching, and if you got this far, good on ya.